Hi, I'm confined to the house because of the coronavirus situation. So I thought, how do I occupy my time there? So I've decided to take some photographs of birds at the bird feeders in the garden. Well, you can see the bird feeders here. Just zoom in a bit. There's one there, another one here, and some fat balls there, and a little table with some other scraps on seeds and so forth there. And so I thought I would have a go at photographing them. Soon, of course, it was necessary to keep myself so the birds couldn't see me. I've built myself a makeshift hide based on my pair of step ladders, which I cover with a camouflage netting. Here's the equipment. I like good sound on my video, so there's a microphone there, Sennheiser microphone, and that is the position for the camera. Now here is the camera on a bean bag, which in turn is resting on concrete blocks and a wooden block to get it to the right height for me. Very simple. The camera is a Lumix, Panasonic Lumix FZ330, which I've had for a good 5 years now. Maybe 4 years. Here is the setup. All it really requires now is the camouflage netting. Well, here is the camouflage netting laid out on the floor. A little bit of a history about this one is that 1985, one of my daughters was at London University, and she was living in a one-room sort of arrangement, and she decided that she would decorate her the bunk bed that she had, with some camouflage netting. Obviously it was the thing to do in those days, who knows. But there you are. Anyway, at the end of the day I got hold of it and stuffed it away and resurrected it. What's this? 35 years later. Well, there's the hide put together. See the camera picking out at the top and the microphone at the bottom there. The lens, the camera, and below the microphone pointing out. So there we go. Well, the operating position is cramped. I can't really sit down at it. I have to stand up and lean my elbows either side of the bricks on the top step of the ladders, and I use the camera. Well, let's hope it works okay.